Hello, IT family. Today we have to search for GST prices. Latest, we have to decrease some prices on GST from groceries and medicines to cement and small costs. Varieties of essentials will now cost less after the GST Council approved. Here we have to search what's cheaper and costlier now. Milk and paneer, parathas, pizza, bread, etc. Roti have been exempted from the GST. What's cheaper and costlier now? Butter, ghee, cheese, jams, sauces, soups, pasta, napkins, confectionery now attract just 5% tax only. Here's now only 5% and 18%. 12% and 24% GST tax will be deleted. Dry fruits like almonds, pistas, and cashews, as well as dates and citrus fruits, are also at 5% only GST. Goods and service tax GST means also. Cement rates have been cut from 28% to 18%. This also decreased. Cement rates. We have the construction. What's cheaper and costlier? Pan masala, gutka, chewing tobacco, and cigarettes will now draw 40% GST from 28% to this will be increased. This will be useless. That's why this will be increased. What's cheaper and costlier now? Carbonated soft drinks, caffeinated beverages, and fruit based fizzy drinks are also in the 40% bracket. Cool drinks are also useless, so it will be harmful to health, so it will be also increased. Was cheaper and costlier. Premium apparel and textiles about 2,500 per piece, and high value cotton quilts also moved to up to 18% only.